In this video, you will learn how to create a Google form. To begin, there are a few different ways you can get there. You can go through your Drive, or you can go through the Google Waffle in the upper right-hand corner. To go through your Google Waffle, you'll select the icon. It may be on this first page, but you may have to select more towards the bottom, and then select Google Forms. If you're already in your Drive, you can go over to the blue New button on the left-hand side, and from there, it will pop down, and again, it may be listed here, or you may need to hover over more, and then you can select Google Forms from there. Once you've opened up Google Forms, there are a few templates that you can choose from, or you can begin from blank. I'm going to go ahead and select the blank option. Once it's generated your Google form, the first thing you should do is give it a title. If you do the title in the form first, you can then select in the upper left-hand corner, and it's going to go ahead and auto-generate that same title there for you. You'll also notice that your changes are all saved, and you do not need to select a Save button. On the right-hand side, you'll notice a few things. We're first going to look at the color palette. From here, you can select the different kinds of colors for your, or you can select the image icon, and they have a few different templates that you can choose from. Or you can upload your own photos for yours. I'm going to go ahead and just select a different color. Now I'm going to go ahead and begin adding questions. You'll notice that it originally said multiple choice, but once I entered in my question, the Google form automatically selected what it thought I would need. However, if it does not select the right one, you're welcome to change it. However, I would like short answer for this question. You can also make your questions required, which I'm going to do. You'll also notice there's a trash can in case you need to delete a question, or you can duplicate the question. To add a new question, you can do the plus sign as well. Again, I want my question to be required. If I would like to change the order, all I need to do is select the 6 little boxes in the middle, and I can drag up the box to rearrange my questions. Another great feature is you can also include videos from YouTube or images. To insert a video, you would select the icon, and then you can search for the name of your YouTube video. If you already have the link to your video, you can just paste it there to embed the video. If you would like to embed an image, select the image icon. You can drag from your computer, or you can search your Google Drive or search Google. It will already give you copyright-friendly images that you can embed in your Google form. Select, and then select the blue Select button. If you would like to give your image a title, you can. Again, feel free to move it to where you need it. You can add a title for a section or a description if you would like. Again, there's a delete option in case you would like to delete anything. Within Google Forms, you can also include an image for the answer choices. If you would like, you can add a description. Once you're ready, you can preview your form by selecting the little eyeball in the upper right-hand corner. It's going to open the form in a new tab. There are a few other things that you can adjust through the settings. If you would like to collect email addresses from your recipients, then you can select the checkbox. Depending on your district, you may have the option to restrict it to certain users within your district. You can also restrict them to only one response or allow them to select many options. You can also make it to where users can edit their forms after they've submitted. They can also see the summary charts and responses. There are also different options for presenting, as well as if you would like to make a form as a quiz, you have that option too. Once you are ready to share your quiz, you would select the send option in the upper right-hand corner. From there, you can email it specifically to people. You can get a share link and send the link out to users. Or you also have the option to embed the form into different resources, such as a learning management system, on a web page, and more. After you've shared out your Google form, Google Forms offers a great option for reviewing your responses. Within your form, it's going to be the second tab listed, And from here, I do not have any responses at this time, but generally they would show up right here. You can also make your responses into a spreadsheet. Once you've selected, you can create a new spreadsheet, or if you already have one that you would like to use, you can select that option as well. Your spreadsheet is automatically added to your Drive, and it's going to have the same title as your Google form, but with the word responses at the end. From here, you'll be able to see all of your data within one single spreadsheet. Again, this is automatically saved to your Drive, and it's updated upon the completion of the form by any user. You also have a few other options such as making a copy, deleting your form. You also have the option to print it. Another great thing about Google Forms is you can add collaborators. To do so, you would just type in their email address. If you would like to add a message, you can. If you would like to change their rights to where they can edit, you can. So now Misty has the option to edit my form and provide me with any feedback. If I ever need to remove somebody from my Google form, you simply select the X next to their name.